Welcome to WebUX testing with SMI eye tracking solutions, Part 3. In this video, we will look at two quantitative analysis features of SMI BGAs, KPIs and event statistics. Normally, when working with KPIs and event statistics, you will want to create areas of interest, or AOIs, first. AOIs permit you to easily see how participants regard a particular element on a given web page. In BGAs, they are defined and managed through the AOI editor. Let's select the stimulus we are interested in and open the AOI editor. Once the editor is open, zoom in on the part of the page you're interested in. Just to the left of the display area in the AOI editor are a series of tools that allow you to create AOIs of different shapes. Let's say you want to first designate the Kindle ad as an area of interest. Click the Rectangle tool and drag a rectangle around the ad. All AOIs are color-coded and automatically named. Change the default name to something more meaningful to enhance data readability. You can add as many AOIs as you'd like. Let's create a few more for comparative analysis. Departments, search box, and prime. After you're done creating AOIs, change to the pointer tool. With it, you can move an AOI, change its size by dragging the handles, or change other settings such as transparency or name by going to Detailed Properties in the lower left corner. Now you're ready to put those AOIs to work. For detailed statistical information about the AOIs, open the Event Statistics view. Choose your desired combination of stimuli, AOI, and subject from the available entities selection tree. You can then select the type of data you want to retrieve from the statistics list. For web usability studies, I'd recommend the AOI Detailed Statistics template. Let's also customize our selection using the Settings button next to the template. I'll select the subject, AOI, and some relevant metrics such as entry time, the duration from start of the trial to the first hit of the AOI, dwell time, the sum of durations of all fixations and saccades inside the AOI, revisits, the number of time a participant's gaze re-entered the AOI, fixation count, the number of fixations inside the AOI, and one more, time to first mouse click. With this data, you can see that only participant number 2 looked at the prime AOI. His first fixation on it occurred at about 1 second after he opened the page, and it lasted about 400 milliseconds. He later revisited this AOI once more and had in total 2 fixations on it. In contrast, participant number 1 fixated on the Departments AOI for the first time after 1.5 seconds, and later revisited it 3 more times, for a total of 23 fixations, indicating that his visits had multiple fixations. The data can be easily copied to the clipboard or exported to a text file. Simply click on the Export button. Selected data will be written to a text file which can then, for example, be imported into a spreadsheet. One way to visualize statistical data for several participants at once is by using the Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs. The Key Performance Indicators view displays primary statistical indicators for each AOI in an associated text bubble. Selecting additional participants updates the data. With several participants, the data is averaged. Move the bubbles to create the layout that's best for your reporting. You can modify the data displayed by clicking on Settings and selecting the desired options, such as entry time, dwell time, revisits, and fixation count. These are the same options we had selected in the Event Statistics view, except that, again, the data is averaged for all selected participants. Let's deselect the options we are not interested in. The KPI view updates automatically. That concludes our look at the quantitative KPI analysis features of BGAIS. For more information, contact support@smi.de.